Biryani. The word itself evokes a sense of celebration, a symphony of flavors and aromas that tantalize the senses. More than just a dish, biryani is a culinary tapestry, meticulously woven with threads of history, culture, and tradition. Each element, from the fragrant basmati rice to the succulent meat and aromatic spices, plays a crucial role in creating this culinary masterpiece. The origins of biryani are shrouded in the mists of time, each tale adding to its mystique. Some believe it originated in Persia, where rice was a staple and meat was cooked with exotic spices. Others trace its roots to the Mughal kitchens of India, where it was elevated to an art form. Regardless of its precise beginnings, one thing is certain: biryani's journey has been as rich and flavorful as the dish itself. It has traveled across continents, adapting and evolving with each cultural interaction. From the royal courts of Persia to the bustling streets of India, biryani has captured hearts and palates for centuries. Today, biryani is enjoyed by millions worldwide, a testament to its enduring appeal. Join us as we embark on a flavorful journey, tracing the fascinating history and evolution of this beloved dish. The Persian connection to biryani is undeniable. The word biryani is thought to have originated from the Persian word birinj, meaning rice. In ancient Persia, a dish called zareshk polo was prepared with rice flavored with saffron and barberries, often served with meat. This dish, with its emphasis on fragrant rice and tender meat, is considered by many to be a precursor to biryani. The journey of biryani to the Indian subcontinent is believed to have coincided with the arrival of the Mughals. These nomadic conquerors brought with them a rich culinary heritage, influenced by Persian, Central Asian, and Indian flavors. The Mughal emperors, known for their lavish feasts and patronage of the arts, played a significant role in popularizing biryani in India. Under Mughal patronage, biryani evolved into a more elaborate and sophisticated dish. The finest ingredients were used, from premium-aged basmati rice to succulent cuts of meat marinated in yogurt and aromatic spices. The cooking techniques were refined, with a focus on slow cooking and layering to enhance the flavors. Over time, biryani became an integral part of Indian cuisine, transcending social and regional boundaries. It graced the tables of emperors and commoners alike, becoming an essential part of celebrations, festivals, and everyday meals. One of the most fascinating aspects of biryani is its incredible regional diversity. As the dish traveled across the Indian subcontinent, it adapted to local tastes and ingredients, resulting in a breathtaking array of variations. Each region developed its unique take on biryani, reflecting its culinary traditions and preferences. In the northern regions of India, the Lucknowi biryani reigns supreme. Known for its delicate flavors and melt-in-your-mouth meat, this biryani is a testament to the refined palate of the Mughal court. The meat is marinated for hours in yogurt, saffron, and a blend of aromatic spices, then cooked slowly over a low flame until tender and infused with flavor. Down south, the Hyderabadi biryani stands out for its fiery temperament. This biryani is not for the faint of heart, with its generous use of chilies, peppercorns, and other spices that set the palate ablaze. The rice is cooked separately and layered with marinated meat, saffron-infused milk, and fried onions, creating a symphony of textures and flavors. Along the coastal regions, seafood takes center stage. The Malabar fish biryani is a coastal delight, featuring fresh fish marinated in a tangy blend of coconut milk, tamarind, and spices. The rice is cooked with coconut milk and flavored with curry leaves, lending a unique aroma and flavor to the dish. From the rich and aromatic Kolkata biryani with its signature potato to the simple yet flavorful Sindhi biryani, each regional variation tells a unique story, showcasing the culinary creativity and diversity of India. Biryani's journey through time is a testament to its adaptability and enduring appeal. Over centuries, this culinary chameleon has continuously evolved, embracing new ingredients, techniques, and influences while staying true to its essence. During the colonial era, biryani encountered new flavors and ingredients introduced by the British. Tomatoes, potatoes, and other vegetables found their way into biryani, adding new dimensions of flavor and texture. The Anglo-Indian community developed their own versions, such as the railway mutton biryani, a hearty and flavorful dish, perfect for long journeys. With the advent of globalization and cultural exchange, Biryani transcended national boundaries, captivating food lovers worldwide. Chefs and home cooks alike have embraced this culinary icon, experimenting with ingredients and techniques to create their unique interpretations. Today we see biryani being reimagined with unconventional ingredients like quinoa, brown rice, and even jackfruit, catering to health-conscious diners and dietary preferences. Fusion biryani, blending traditional Indian flavors with global cuisines, has also gained popularity, pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity. From ancient Persia to the modern global kitchen, biryani's journey has been one of constant evolution and reinvention. This culinary kaleidoscope continues to surprise and delight, proving that some dishes are timeless.